Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can change primary market on Shopify. Okay, so probably you changed your country or you want to target a country where people are interested in your products. Now what you guys need to do is you want to just log in into your Shopify store to change your primary market. After that you want to click here on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click here, it says markets. Okay, so after guys you click on markets, then what you guys need to do here, as you can see, my primary market right now is Morocco. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on add the market in the top right, and you want to name this market, for example, my new market. Okay, and then you want to select the country here. For example, I would like to change it from Morocco. I would like to set France as my primary market, or Italy. Click on add the market. Now as you can see, now we have added the market, which is going to be our primary market in a few seconds. Now when I click on that market that you have added, click on more actions in the top, click on make primary market, click on confirm. And if you notice, now the primary market right now is France. Okay, before it was Morocco, now it's France. Now if this one guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video.